Good morning, boys and girls. Today's episode is brought to you by the letter W for Wild Goose Chase. So, you may remember in the last episode, we broke ye old banjo bolt right the hell off. So, that led me on a wild goose chase. I went to Napa, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, searched eBay, searched Amazon. The earliest this bolt could get here from anywhere else was like 2 weeks from now. So, shout out to my friends over here at Oil Filter Services. And the camera won't focus because there's rain on the window, but they're here in Portland. They had 4 of them in stock, so I grabbed 2 of them. And of course they gave me a veterans discount, so I was only out $12.20. So let's head back to the quarantine zone and start working on Rusty.
can make believe it happened, or pretend that something's true. You can wish or hope or contemplate a thing you'd like to do. But until you start to do it, you will never see it through. 'Cause the make-believe pretending just won't do it for you. You've got to do it. Every little bit, you've got to do it. Do it, do it, do it, and when you're through, you can know who did it, for you did it, you did it, you did it. It's not easy to keep trying, but it's one good way to grow. It's not easy to keep learning, but I know that this is so. When you've tried and learned, you're bigger than you were a day ago. It's not easy to keep trying, but it's one way to grow. You've got to do it. Every little bit, you've got to do it. Do it, do it, do it, and when you're through, you can know who did it, for you did it. You did it. You
Well, Dave, that's right. You did it. You did it, Dave. You caused the copyright infringement because you wanted music during the time lapse. So you did it. All kidding aside, guys, check it out. Huge step in the process. Look at all this space over here we reclaimed. This is awesome. You could almost park another vehicle in there, although this spot right now is designated for Rusty. So we got the transmission in, no problem. Took a little bit of teamwork between Willow and I to get it all lined up and all the bolts into the oh, come on, torque converter. My mind, I swear. Still got a whole bunch of skiddly bop stuff to finish up on this. We did get that banjo bolt replaced, and it actually held the proper torque this time, so hopefully that stays that way. I'll give you guys a couple of hints on some upcoming episodes. There's one hint. Here's another hint. Okay, following me so far? Here's another hint. Here's another hint. I bet you can figure out what's coming up. A lot done today. I'm really happy about it. Things are coming along nicely. And I'm just stoked that this project is moving forward now and there's no turning back at this point. If you guys liked today's episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hit that bell for notifications when I upload a video. You're going to want to see the finished product. Rusty's going to be awesome. I hope you guys are staying safe. Oh, if you're subscribed to the channel and you're one of my regular viewers, you might see an Adventures with Abel episode coming up. Just maybe. Not 100% certain yet, but maybe. But other than that, guys, take care. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.
It's a good feeling when you're able to find people who like to play the kinds of things you like to play. That's one thing that helps to make friends, playing together. It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside, and when you wake up ready to say, I think I'll make a snappy new day. It's such a good feeling, a very good feeling, the feeling you know that I'll be back when the day is new, and I'll have more ideas for you, and you'll have things you'll want to talk about. I will too. You always make each day such a special day. You know how? By just your being you. Only one person in the whole world like you. That's you yourself. I'll be back next time. Bye-bye.